Is the thrill of driving dead in the electric era? Not if Alpine has anything to say about it. Today we're taking a first look at the all-new Alpine A290, a pocket rocket that might just change how you feel about electric hot hatches forever. The A290 is Alpine's first venture into the electric world, taking the bones of the retro-cool Renault 5 and injecting it with genuine performance DNA. One look tells you this isn't your average EV commuter car. The widened wheel arches, rally-inspired lighting, and aggressive stance scream performance from every angle. Pop the hood and you won't find an engine, but don't let that fool you. The A290 packs a serious punch with two power options, a 178 horsepower GT model and the spicier 217 horsepower GTS. The latter can sprint to 62 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds, quick enough to put a smile on your face, but not so brutal that it overwhelms the chassis. And speaking of chassis, this is where Alpine's racing heritage truly shines. The engineers have completely reworked the suspension, widened the tracks by 60 mm, and implemented hydraulic bump stops borrowed from the legendary Renault Sport Megane. The result? A car that handles with shocking precision despite weighing nearly 1,500 kilograms. The steering deserves special mention. It's responsive, well-weighted, and actually communicates what the front wheels are doing. There's even an overtake button on the steering wheel that instantly unleashes maximum power when you need it most. It's these little touches that show Alpine truly cares about the driving experience. Inside, the A290 strikes a perfect balance between sportiness and daily usability. The heavily bolstered seats hug you in all the right places while remaining comfortable for longer journeys. The 10.3-inch touchscreen runs Google's operating system, making it intuitive and responsive, while physical buttons for climate control mean you won't be distracted fumbling through menus. Range anxiety. The 52 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 236 miles on the WLTP cycle, though expect closer to 200 miles in real-world driving. Charging it up to 100 kilowatts means you can go from 15 to 80% in about half an hour. Enough time to grab a coffee while you plan your next twisty road adventure. Is it practical? The 326-liter boot will swallow your weekly shopping or weekend bags with ease. Rear seat space is admittedly tight, but let's be honest, this car is all about the driver experience. Priced from around £33,500 for the GT and climbing to $38,000 for the full-fat GTS, the A290 positions itself as a premium offering in the compact EV segment. Yes, that's more than some competitors like the Abarth 500e or Mini Cooper Electric Sport, but none of those cars deliver the same level of driver engagement. The Alpine A290 isn't just another electric car, it's a statement that the future of driving can still be fun. It brings character, soul, and genuine performance to a segment that desperately needs it. While it may not quite match the visceral thrill of the best petrol hot hatches, it sets a new benchmark for what an electric hot hatch can be. If you're looking for an EV that's more than just an appliance, the Alpine A290 deserves your attention. This little French rocket proves that the electric revolution doesn't have to be the death of driving pleasure. It might just be the beginning of something new. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.